Hello, good morning. Yesterday I got this file, news archive. That is the news that I got from the UK government of all the product recall and in the last few days. Okay, but it's difficult to analyze them, and I'm showing to you in this video how you can use pandas in Python pandas in order to analyze those data. That's much easier in that way. First of all, we import pandas SPD, and we define a data frame equal PD read CSV of this CSV file. Okay, I've written a code in Emacs that I can copy the file name, include in the path. Okay, and I use the key binding alternate end and come to here. Then I got the file name copied. That is the oh, sorry. Now here's the data frame, but still it's not easy to analyze. And also, the first thing first, I've observed a lot of NAND because I use Selenium just for web scraping. Some of them may be a failure, what I don't know, but you have to drop them first. NA. Hmm. Oh yeah. Not DF. Data frame. Oh, sorry. DF. Data frame. Data frame. Drop. NA. Here it drops. So you must define it now without any NA. Okay, to analyze this data frames, look at the columns first. These are the columns that I use for this database. Suppose that I don't want to see so many columns, then I can use the column selector. Then I show only two columns, the title and the product. Or you show only the title. That is only the title. Suppose that I'm particularly interested in, for example, the 33 items, then I can select the row, location, and then I got for this particular row the date, the title, and exactly what is the remedy and the image and the product and so on. Suppose that I want to select only for certain days, then I can use a TF function, TF, DF, date equal to say 26. Then your TF will show which row are true, which rows are false. Then I can show them. And these are all the data with only this 26. Okay, only with this day. Suppose that my boss told me that I don't want all these kind of cases. What I'm interested only in a mandatory magnet, and that is the trend that is now the more governments control the mandatories, because when a child swollen the magnet in the stomach, that could cause a lot of hazards, a lot of problems. So I can say df equal to df product. Okay, the product name. If you say contain, that will get an error. You should have to convert a string first. Contained method. Okay. Df a string contains magnet. Anything wrong? No, anything wrong? I'm not sure. Tf equal to df product string contains doesn't work. What's wrong with that? Yeah, sorry. It's just now it works. So now we can show the df location tf. Then these are only the cases with manners. Okay, these are all the cases that with the mandatory. Of course, you can further using a tighten your criteria for only these 2 days, only for 26. But I don't want to make it too complicated. And now we got those cases with all the products. Okay. Now, of course, you have to define it first. That's a new data frame, and I don't want it to be too complicated. I filter off the products. So only 2 cases. If I send it by email to my boss, he also don't like it. He prefer Excel. Then it's just okay. And I can df to Excel. Yeah, this works. Now I can go back to my Emacs. Yeah, let's report it here. Of course, you can't read it, but I make the key binding, Control C, and can. This is my home computer. I don't have Excel. I use the LibreOffice, but in my office I have Excel, and you can really get the products. So these are the products that are all recorded recently in United Kingdom. That's concerning manic toys. Okay, let me make it zoom it out. Okay. I don't want that column deleted. Anyway, hide it. Okay. So these are the products. Then I can send out to my boss. Of course, I can add more titles about more columns to sample to record days and what the remedy and what the hash and so on. And because it's just an illustration. Okay, thank you very much. And again, this showed us the cooperation between Emacs and Python, and with all the imports like Selenium and Pandas, can help a lot in my office work and also can help you too. Thank you for listening, and talk to you later again. Thank you. Bye.